I would rate your resume a 6 out of 10. Formatting ng resume niya is single column lahat. So mababasa to ng mga ATS and you will not get filtered out sa applications pa lang and may chance na makakarating ka sa interviews. So good. Yung pagkakasunod-sunod should be summary and then projects before education. And then skills and certifications, okay naman. Yung character references, tanggalin mo na yan since hindi naman kailangan yan and personal information yan ng character references mo. Hihingin naman nila yan on the later stages of the hiring process kapag sure na ikaw yung pipiliin nilang candidate. Okay, kaya pinapatanggal ko tong character references palagi is when you give out character references as early as sa application pa lang, kawawa naman yung mga character references nyo kasi nakakalat yung contact info nila sa lahat ng pag-a-applyan yung job postings. Sabihin natin out of 100 job postings na pinag-applyan nyo, isa lang doon yung matatanggap ka. So yung 99 companies doon, meron silang kopya ng personal info ng mga character references nyo. So maging careful kayo on that part. Buong resume niya is walang work experience kasi fresh grad pa lang. So sa mga nagtatanong dyan kung paano gagawin kapag fresh grad, walang experience, ganitong resume yung gagawin nyo. Maglalagay kayo ng project section para ma-showcase nyo sa companies kung ano yung skills nyo. Kasi sobrang competitive na ng job market ngayon. Yung bullet contents ng project mo is okay naman yung action verbs, design tsaka led. Pero palitan mo ng coordinated tong contributed or designed na agad. So, designed and built a miniature one-story building. And napansin ko, walang result yung bullet contents mo rito. Kung regular follower ka ng ating mga resume reviews, alam naman natin na ang bullet formula consists of a strong action verb followed by the specific task or responsibility, ending with the result or outcome of that responsibility. So, dito, okay naman kasi designed and analyzed. So, strong action verb. And then yung responsibility, okay naman, dinescribe mo siya rito. Pero wala kang result. So, and prepared cost estimates for the project. So, dapat may result. Also, dagdagan mo yung bullets mo rito per project. Gawin mo siyang at least 2 to 3 bullets. Following the same bullet formula na diniscuss natin kanina. Good yung resume mo for a fresh grad. Just need some revisions and bullet additions. Check out my website if you want to increase your chances of getting interviews by tailoring your resume for each job post. Visit fixedresume.io.